and in this video I'm going to show you how to export STL file in Onshape. So basically what you'll need to do is have your part selected, then right click it and click export. After that you'll need to wait a little bit until it loads, and right here you can name your file name. So let's say I will name it as tutorial, and basically for the format you'll need to select STL. For the STL format, select binary. Units you can select however you want. For the resolution you may need to adjust that, but I will leave it as medium and click export. And now just click save and you will have tutorial.stl saved. So that's how you export STL file in Onshape CAD. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.